So in order to use your phone, once I open up my Binance here, you see this is my Binance app here. This is my Binance app here that I want to show you here. You see my Binance app is here. This is the Binance app. So once I open up this app, you see that we have this space here. So the next thing I have to do is come to my wallet here, because that's where my money is. And then I'll click my wallet. I'm going to click it. Once I click it, the next thing I'll do here is that I'm going to come up to funding here. Okay. And then I'll click funding. Once I click funding, the next thing I'm going to see here is transfer, withdraw, and deposit. Okay. I'm going to choose withdraw. Okay. Once I choose withdraw, it's going to open up this other space. Please take note. And then right here now, I'm going to choose the USDT because that's where I have my coin. Okay. And then I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, see what happens here. It shows me send via crypto network, and then it says send via email and phone ID. This is something I'll teach you also, but today I want us to focus on this particular one here. And then I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, you see that it opens up. And when it opens up here, I want you to take note of something very powerful. The same way, I'm going to come to this space here and I choose the the address. And then I'm going to choose the address that matches, okay, which is this address that we have also seen through our machine, the Ethereum/ERC20. And then I'm going to choose this address. And once I choose that address, the next thing I'm going to do is, there are two options here. I can copy that code from my Onpassive system and also come and paste it in this space here. Okay. The same time, I can just come here to this small button here, and then I click. Once I click, it opens up, and then it indicates that I should scan a code. There's a code here. Okay, there's a code here. If I scroll this up, okay, I don't want to scroll it up because if I scroll it up and it meets this my camera here, is going to react. Okay, so I'll just take it now and take it closer to that code. But before I do this, let me show you something I almost forgot. I will now come here now, and then I specify, since we have 190 that Onpassive is taking, 190 US dollars. Okay, and while you are putting this on, you see that it already shows you how much that you are going to be withdrawing from this your cryptocurrency space into your Onpassive space. Okay, take note of this. But here now it's telling me that what is available is $10. Okay, and then also another thing I want you to take note of here is that after you have decided the amount of money you want to put, you decide the network, and then the next thing is, say you are sending from your wallet. Yes. And then the next thing you have to do now is to make sure that you bring that code and come and paste it here, or you scan it using this option, which we have seen here. So this is how you can transfer money from this system into the Onpassive space, and then you subscribe on one of the products. So I hope that this was clear, and I hope that you understood this. Thank you so much, and stay blessed. But before we go again, let me just show you something here again. Let's repeat this scan. After all this have been put in place, all your money, everything has been put in place, the next thing now you have to come to this scan, and then you click on it, and then you bring it closer to that code. Okay, there's a scan code there that you can show, and then this money will just absorb it and just activate it automatically. Okay, very swift, and that is it. You have already paid for your product in Onpassive. Take note of this, please.